Hi guys, today we're drawing a cute cat. So, first we need to talk about our supplies. We need a pencil. I don't know what to call this, so you comment what it is. Sorry, I think my hair is first I'm all happy. Now let's keep on drawing until our cute face is about to come to life. So it's going to be tilting its head. It looks tight. We're making it look tired. I don't know how I need to make it orange. Now, put a teardrop one down here. Done. Now the stencils involve making, well, not doing that yet. So now we just need to draw our orange inside. Draw that or if you like. That's for the worst stuff actually good. Now we just need to color it. You can fill it in that mouth part because you'll see why later. I'm sure you can see it. That's fair, right? There's one more outside. The reason I color that in is that because we're still going to use this color, but it's darker. Now we just do this. Now, You can put it in love letters. You can put it in love letters with the friends or friendship letters. Alright, yes, okay.